Hello all, it's Sharon and
Nate.
I just want to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. In today's video, we are back with our learning shelf for the month of June, and it is Father's Day today. So we have this little card here that says Happy Father's Day. I'll show you all the items. It is also Pride Month and it is Indigenous Peoples Month as well. So that's how we kind of decorated the shelves. I love setting up these kind of educational shelves because, especially if you're working in a daycare setting, children, they can ask questions about what's on the shelf. You could read books, they could read the words, and learn about different animals. Like this month we are studying ponds, so we have some pond animals on here as well. But yeah, I love setting up these little shelves. I also like to include some books, which I will take down and share them with you all. But we have Fishing with Grandma and Father's Day Blessings. And like I said, you could read the words on here. You could ask children to identify things. So can you show me the turtle? Where is the deer? Stuff like that. So we have those two books there, and the card came from Timu, I believe. And then on the shelf itself, we have these different little animals. So we have a duck here and a turtle. And then we have a little snake. And we have this little plastic canvas thing here with the rainbow. And it says love. And then we have some stickers down there that say Pride. And we have a snapping turtle, a little figurine of a deer and a frog. We have a dragonfly and a little bunny rabbit. And then we have some 18-inch doll shoes. I don't know what set those came from, but they're little moccasins. So again, a child could ask, what are these shoes? And then you could watch something about it or read a book about these type of shoes. And then we have this little statue here that says Canada with the little wolf on it. And then here is a large canvas from the Dollarama, and I added this beautiful dream catcher to it. So again, you could talk about dream catchers and why they are significant. But yeah, I love the way this month's shelf turned out. I'm just going to grab the books and I'll show you what they look like. So we have the Berenstain Bears Father's Day Blessings. So nice little storybook. I love the illustrations in here. And then there is some activities in here as well, like a little crossword. So that's great too. You can photocopy that. So that is the first one. So this one is called Fishing with Grandma. Beautiful story about, their her grandkids going out fishing with them, and then they have so many fish, and then they give some extra fish to the community. But yeah, I love this story. And I love this book because it also talks about the Inuit fishing tools that they use. So you can go over those terms. And then over here is some more Inuit terms. And then there's this too, which is great information. So yeah, I really like how this shelf turned out this month. This actual wooden shelf here, we've had this in the past. This was hanging in our wall at our old apartment. I can't really hang it, so I kind of put it behind the shelf there. This came from IKEA, but it's great for displaying little items. If I can find the shelf on the IKEA website, if it's still available, I'll link it down below. It also comes with these cute little ladders. But yeah, I love this shelf, and this, these learning shelves are perfect, especially for younger children, like I said, in a daycare setting or in a classroom, because, children can also ask a lot of questions, and, you can put whatever you want on these types of shelves. You could do it with just any kind of theme that you want to come up with. I like doing monthly themes, so we learn about different celebrations and holidays. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to the next one.
Take care. Bye for now.